everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1983 Jeep. 2-door soft top, 5-speed manual. Very nice little off-road vehicle. It has very unique rims, I like to say. Very something you'd see in the 90s, almost like an American Racing discontinued rim, but really fits the unique quality of this vehicle. Besides its nice power steering and power brakes, which we'll demonstrate for you now. Really nice car here. And besides that, surprisingly, we're at 199,000 miles, almost going on 200, but she still runs like a newer vehicle. Takes turns really well, takes off-roading very well. Coming up the road now. As we get more into the vehicle, you can hear it. Just lots of fun. A really fun Jeep we got here at Skyway Classics. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around and put her on the lift. Let you all take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.